And your second child
Basil.
is? Huh?
Basil.
Basil. Yeah. So Basil's a special child,
Yeah.
right? Okay. And now, uh, what happened? When did you know that he was special?
So he's deaf,
Okay.
clinically deaf.
Yeah.
I think he was 5-6 months old. उस ज़माने में एक ही कमरे में हम सारे होते थे. उसका भी कॉट वहीं थी. We used to live with our parents, and we used to watch movies in the night. उनके सोने के बाद, and he would never wake up. And I remember Amar उठ जाया करता था. By that time Amar had moved out, and Basil
Right.
was in our room.
Right.
And 6-7 months में we started realizing we were watching movie, but he never gets up.
And you didn't think कितना सुकून वाला बच्चा है,
बहुत
आराम
हम
से
तो यही
सो
सोच
रहा
रहे
है,
थे.
आराम से
हम
सो
यही
रहा है,
सोच रहे थे
तंग
कि
नहीं
यही
करता.
तंग नहीं करता.
अमार तंग करता है.
अमार बहुत तंग करता था. सो अभी भी तंग करता है.
अच्छा.
बट इज़ अ गुड किड. क्या कहते हैं, सो वी टुक हिम टू आखान जस्ट टू गेट इट चेक्ड. एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दैट डॉक्टर, अगर वो मुझे अभी भी मिल जाए ना, आई वुड किल हिम. ही केम आउट, ही डिड द बेरा टेस्ट, जो उनका टेस्ट होता है. एंड विद इन सेकेंड्स व्हेन ही केम आउट, ही इज़ लाइक, आपका बेटा डेफ है और मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, और आप साइन लैंग्वेज सीखें, इसको साइन लैंग्वेज सिखाएं. एंड ही वॉज हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट इन दोज डेज एट आखान.
Really?
उसका नाम भी मुझे याद है शायद. आई थिंक
Did
इफ्तिखार
he say
something
he's
था.
dumb also?
No.
So he
He's just
wasn't.
deaf.
He was just deaf.
Yeah.
And at 6 months, you knew.
Yeah, we knew.
Okay.
एंड ही इज़ लाइक, आप साइन लैंग्वेज इसके लिए भी स्टार्ट कर लें और आप भी सीखना शुरू करते हैं. तो मैंने कहा देयर हैज़ टू बी सम अदर थिंग.
Yeah.
एंड ही इज़ लाइक, नो, दिस इज़ इट, यही है बस.
फिर?
यही आपका बच्चा ऐसे ही रहेगा पूरी ज़िंदगी. एंड देन तो वी टुक हिम अराउंड एवरीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड. वेर एवर यू वुड गो ऑन अ वेकेशन, वी वुड गेट अ डॉक्टर
Check-up and talk
चेकअप
to
जस्ट टू
them.
फाइंड आउट
Specialists.
what's happening. And then
And how? When did you know he could speak?
नहीं, cause देखो होता क्या है कि if you are
It's
deaf,
not necessary.
no, so if you're deaf,
Yeah.
if the input is not coming in, you will not be able to
Of
say.
course.
So because you've not heard anything, so
it.
you can't talk.
Right.
So you have to get the audio in.
Okay.
So then we got him into, so we got him tested and all. उसने कहा कि ये नहीं हो सकता, वो नहीं हो सकता, आप साइन लैंग्वेज सीखें. So मैंने कहा, no, there has to be another way. होगा. उस ज़माने में इंटरनेट नहीं था, ये नहीं था. So we started looking around.
Information इतनी नहीं.
नहीं थी ना, तो नहीं पता लगा था. देन वी फाउंड सम पेरेंट्स, उनके थ्रू में पता लगा कि लाहौर में कोई एक है हु डज हियरिंग एड्स. सो वी वेंट टू सी हिम, वी गॉट हिम हियरिंग एड्स. तो वो बासिल का तो बहुत मज़ेदार है. जब वो छोटा होता था, एक तो उसको पहनाना बहुत मुश्किल था, बिकॉज यू वुड पुट द हियरिंग एड्स एंड ही वुड जस्ट टेक देम ऑफ.
Because babies are.
बेबीज है ना, एंड देन ही वुड टेक द थिंग एंड पुट देम इन द माउथ.
Oh God.
सो उसको हेडबैंड पहनाना पड़ता था. थोड़ा सा बड़ा हुआ, व्हेन यू वुड स्कोल्ड हिम, ही वुड जस्ट टेक देम ऑफ. अब तुम चीख रही हो, उसने हाथ में पकड़े हुए हैं, यूं बैठा हुआ है और हंस रहा है.
That's cute.
So अभी भी वो
cute
याद
also,
कराता है.
yeah,
He
that's
saw some video
cute.
and he sent it to us. He's like, remember I used to do that. So you would scold him
Yeah.
कि don't go out. So 2 दफ़ा तुमने सुनाई, उसने तार के साथ में रख दिया. ये लो,
Yeah.
जो बोलना बोलते रहो. So mashallah, he's done great for.
You
for
moved
himself.
also, Hassan.
We moved to
With the
Singapore.
family.
So what happened was basically, so we started taking
But
him
it
around.
was hard. for
It was
you.
hard. So we
I
were
can
in.
see it right now on your face. I'm going to cry a little
तो
bit.
ये तो-
I mean, I remember that time, and I remember you telling me about it, and I mean that was hard. Was
So
that?
हमारी turning point वो था जब हम लोग. So we went to Smith's.
Yeah.
There was a great क्या कहते हैं program there, क्या कहते हैं, who would test the kids.
Right.
So they would get ये क्या कहते हैं, the kids with क्या कहते हैं hearing loss, and they would test them and they would tell you कि all क्या problems आएंगे आपके साथ. They had a
Okay.
summer school.
ठीक
So we were there for a whole summer,
Right.
and they kind of like checked him out and all. उनका कि इसके ये issues हैं, ये आप ठीक करोगे तो आस्ते आस्ते प्रोग्रेस आना शुरू होगा. So we got him onto implants then, and then they told us कि अगर implants लग जाएंगे, they're like bionic ears.
Right.
But उनका कि उसकी ट्यूनिंग होती है, and then you need education for that, then you need doctors to help him
Monitor
out.
throughout. and
Everything.
You
It just
can't do it in
it can't
Pakistan.
be.
Living
So इस
in
ज़माने में तो नहीं
Pakistan.
था.
Right.
So then we decided to go to Singapore,
Okay.
because I think that was the closest place we could find. We went to Dubai.
Right.
Dubai wasn't great in those days. They were not big help. So we moved to Singapore. And then Farah decided that Amar will stay with me, and she will stay with the Basil and Iman, who was,
And
who
you'll
was the
do
youngest.
back
And
and
we were just
forth.
back and forth. So Amar stayed in KGS for 2 years with me here. I would
okay.
work,
Huh.
spend time with him in the evenings. It was really tough.
Tough.
Because Amar, I think, was in class 4 or 5th at that time.
वो भी छोटा है, वो भी
वो भी
बदमाश
छोटा था, बहुत बदमाश था,
वो
बहुत
तुम्हारी
बदमाश
तरह था।
तुम्हारे बेटे की तरह,
तुम्हारे बेटे
तुरान की तरह।
तुरान तो बहुत
तुरान तो बहुत बदमाश था, हाँ मुझे याद है। ही इज सच अ ग्रेट किड, आई लव तुरान।
I know
जहाँ मुझे मिलता है यार, ही इज लाइक,
he loves you. He
he's
thinks
like-
you're the coolest man. District 19. That's
so-
the-
So we did that.
Yeah.
And now though he talks, he doesn't stop. So that's been a great thing. Yeah,
Really?
he lives alone in LA. He's going to
Acha.
college there.
Acha.
So we sent
So
him.
it worked,
It worked.
right?
And that's why I want to see that doctor. And I want to
And
slap
you wanna-
him.
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
यार, how can you
Yeah,
be
it's
so rude?
irresponsible. No, it's irresponsible, insensitive.
You can't do this.
You can't do that, and you don't do
And
it
we
in
were,
today's
and
day and age.
I still remember we were standing, you know, जो clinical,
Yeah.
जो clinics हैं, जो आखान की original clinics होती थी, when you would go in and on the right, we were standing in the middle of hundreds and hundreds of people, जो अपनी अपनी clinics से wait करते हैं. This guy standing there and I'm holding,
आपको कमरे में भी नहीं बुलाया, आपको प्यार.
I'm holding
You
Basil.
know, there's a
and
way of telling people.
Yes,
you know, there's a
yes,
whole
yes. There's a-
sociology when you're.
yeah.
It's. I mean, it's a very difficult thing for doctors even when they come and they have to tell you. We've seen enough TV shows with ER and Grey's Anatomy वगैरह कि आपको किस तरह तरीके से आपको बात करनी होती है, क्या करना होता है, you know. And it's insensitive and it's not nice. Okay, I'm so sorry to hear that. But I'm also think it's very brave and it's like it's very empowering कि आप जो अभी बता रहे हैं ताकि people don't give up.
No.
आगे जाके आपको लड़ना पड़े अपने बच्चों के लिए इंसान कुछ भी कर लेता है. Am I right? So it's very important to keep finding, exploring, and get information because you're changing the child's life.
Yes, and
You
you
know?
and you और होता क्या है कि you know बहुत लोगों का ख्याल होता है कि you can't come out and talk about it. But I have given him everything. You know, he's done trips with me. You know, I take him on fishing trips. We go on biking trips together.
Right.
I take him to bigger,
Yeah.
you know, places where in public places so he can see. He comes on the shoots with me. I've never hidden anything. यहाँ लोग shy away करते हैं चीज़ों से.
And treat them differently.
Yeah.
उनको जब बेचारा syndrome दे दो तो वो खत्म हो जाते हैं.
No. He gave us a new insight into life, yaar.
Yeah.
And I'm blessed that he's in my life.
And the sensitivity also comes in, you
Yeah.
know, to other people who have special needs.
Yeah.
You know.
हर एक की needs होती हैं.
I agree. I think everyone, none of us are perfect physically or mentally even. Mental में तो और भी ज़्यादा
और भी बहुत
problems
कुछ है.
होते हैं. And that physical also leads to that mental, which is obviously it's so disturbing. And what's Iman like? Is she like your,
Oh, she's like my
like your whatever,
No,
like
my-
because she's the girl, only girl.
only girl, and
Yeah.
she plays that card so well.
Really? So she's daddy's girl.
Daddy's girl, or she knows that.
What's she doing?
She's graduating अभी क्या कहते
She's
हैं?
not married, is she?
No, May में graduate कर रही है.
Why?
From a film school. किसने बोला था? No. Yeah.
On your Facebook, you said.
No.
What Facebook?
No.
There's no marriage. I was like, how would I not know about this?
No.
Right?
Iman's the youngest.
Yeah,
और वो
she's
क्या
the
कहते हैं?
youngest.
She's graduating.
Okay.
So she's gone to a film school in LA.
Oh,
So director बन रही है.
wow.
So
So all three children in this direction?
first and
Amar is.
Basil is not, but I think he's gonna come around.
वो कर क्या रहा है?
अभी तो बिजनेस पढ़ रहा है, बट
अच्छा.
उसका कोई वो नहीं है, वो अभी
वो
भी.
तुम अब यू आर लाइक मी ना, बच्चों को छोड़ दो जो करना
मैंने कहा
है
जब तक कर रहा है. अब
जो
उसको
figure
थोड़ा
it
बहुत
out.
अभी he's done a film की class and it was so cool. I was there
Right.
last fall with him and I went to his film class. So he's like, wanna come? So मैंने कहा, I would wanna come and sit in the film history की class
Right.
and had such a great time. I just wanted to go back to school. मैंने कहा
I
मुझे भी
know.
यहीं एडमिशन
Me
दिला
too.
दो
I
यार.
love learning.
I wanna go
और
back.
हिस्ट्री तो मुझे बहुत ही पसंद
तो
है.
मैं तो वापस जाना चाहता हूँ. So
Yeah.
उससे मैं कल परसों बात कर रहा था, तो मुझे कह रहा था कि I wanna get into a film school if I can. मैंने कहा if you want to please. So देखो. So we're looking into it, but Iman's gonna graduate, so let's see
okay.
what she does.
Yeah, great. That's amazing. अच्छा मुझे बताओ कि you know, you've seen so much work. You've done a lot of